In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Google Sheets to Excel without losing formatting. This is a handy skill, especially for those who frequently work between these two platforms and want to maintain the integrity of their documents. Let's dive in and make sure your hard work retains its look and functionality. To start, open the Google Sheet that you want to convert to Excel. You'll do this by heading over to your Google Drive, finding the spreadsheet in question, and giving it a quick double click. This part is crucial because you want to ensure you're working with the exact document that needs conversion. Once your Google Sheet is open, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen and locate the File tab. Clicking File generates a drop-down menu that presents several options. From here, you'll want to hover over the Download option. A secondary menu will appear to the right, offering different formats in which you can download your spreadsheet. To convert your Google Sheet to an Excel file, select the Microsoft Excel .xlsx option from this list. The beauty of this format is its wide compatibility and its ability to handle sophisticated data tasks while also keeping your formatting largely intact. Once selected, your file will begin downloading almost instantly. This step takes everything from your Google Sheet, colors, fonts, borders, and transfers them to Excel. It even handles basic formulas, and in most cases, your charts come through just fine as well. After your download completes, navigate to your computer's downloads directory or wherever your downloads are generally saved. Find the newly downloaded Excel file, which will carry the same name as your original Google Sheet, unless of course you've had multiple versions of the same file downloaded previously. Double-click to open the file in Excel. You may notice a moment of anticipation as the program processes the file, but rest assured that a good chunk of your original work's formatting and structure should be firmly in place. If you do experience slight discrepancies, Excel offers a variety of tools and options to make minor adjustments, ensuring your document presents exactly as you want it across all environments. Converting in this way not only saves you time redeveloping your formatting from scratch, but also guarantees a smoother transition, showcasing the versatility of both Google Sheets and Excel. And that's it! You've successfully converted your Google Sheet into an Excel file without losing its formatting. This method is reliable and efficient, perfect for when you're working across different software environments or collaborating with others who use Excel. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found these steps helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more of our videos for additional tips and guidance. Happy spree cheating!